How you going, guys? Welcome to the video. This is AussieManUp777. Now we've got a little fencing tutorial that I'm going to show you. Alright, that's the final product here today, guys. It's come up pretty good actually. So what actually happened is over time your wooden fence will deteriorate, as you can see there. And being the fact that it's on the boundary, it's up to both owners on each property to be, share the expense of this. So what happened is we've covered that because when we were fixing the vehicle, which you'll see in another video, it's about the 2001 Nissan Navara. We did the CVs, we did steering rack, we did a home rotor repair, we replaced the hubs. You'll see that in the video that's coming. It's going to take a little bit of time to edit this one. And what happened while we were fixing that vehicle, and it was on stands right there, we accidentally kicked some of the fence panels out. Alright guys, please like and subscribe. And we are grinding hard and we are kicking goals. Stay manly. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one either side. We're going to dig it down a bit further so you can't see it. Yes, I understand it's going to rot out, but this is a temporary fix. Alright, temporary fix. And that'll fit both sides of that, and then we'll... Old cattleman's trick is we'll get some old sump oil and we'll put it in a container, like an ice cream tub. We'll get a paintbrush, right? And we'll paint it on the timber, and that will seal it. That will stop it from rotting away. That'll stop bugs and borers and termites from getting into it. You've seen it here first on AussieManUp777. Engine oil, old sump oil. For an example, a fence drainer post, we had an iron bark, let's say it lasts 50 to 80 years, but you pour engine oil on top of it, you're probably getting 120 years out of it. And I could, if I was out on the property where I worked on down south, I could show you the proof. Seen it first on AussieManUp777. It's up there. Alright, that sleeves into that metal from the other side. Alright, this one here, you can see I've got my cut there already. That's just an old piece. Alright, and that's going to go in like that. That plan, guys. Right. Measure twice, measure 3 times, cut once. Doesn't even hurt to cut a little bit wider because you can't go backwards once you go smaller. You know, we're not talking about doodles. That's not pretty simple. Hey guys, so we're going 10 mil between each one. Easy peasy Japanesey, mate. AussieManUp777, like and subscribe. So guys, always measure once, no. Measure twice, no. Measure 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Measure as many times as you want. Cut once, that's it, cut once. If you're still a little bit concerned, say that's your edge there, just go a little bit wider. You can always trim the end off. Double check your work. Alright, what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna drop screw into each one of them. Just one screw. Alright. We're going to countersink it. By touchy. Like, this thing's 100 years old. Canon will make good stuff. I think it's 100 years old, but it still works right. I mean, look. Tape, glue, falls out every time you use it, it still works. So simple, lined up, measured, ready to go. Like and subscribe, Aussie Man Up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put those boards on there, down the bottom, straightforward. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Right, that's going to be under the dirt. And then I'll put a screw in from that side. And then a screw in from that side. All right, what that will achieve, guys, is you've got your face panel. What that should achieve, guys, is you've got your fence paling, right, and then we've got that bottom board there, slap on there, right, and then the other side, that side, and then it'll squeeze together, and that's going to be under the dirt. That will be under the dirt here on both sides. Old cattleman's trick is we'll get some old sump oil and we'll put it in a container, in like an ice cream tub. We'll get a paintbrush, right, and we'll paint it on the timber, and that will seal it. That will stop it from rotting away. That'll stop bugs and borers and termites from getting into it. You seen it here first on AussieManUp777. Engine oil, old sump oil. Now for an example, a fence drainer post, we had a iron bug, let's say it lasts 50 to 80 years, but you pour engine oil on top of it, you're probably getting 120 years out of it. And I could, look, if I was out on the property where I worked on down south, I could show you the proof. Seen it first on AussieManUp777. Guys, which come up quite well actually, really well, because we're kicking goals and grinding hard, bro. Stay manly on AussieManUp777 with fencing skills. See you in the next video. Hey guys, don't forget that the 2011 Nissan Navara video is going to be coming very shortly. Please like and subscribe on AussieManUp777.
Men in Australia who struggling with mental health, social identity, social responsibility, career health, financial fitness, spiritual well-being, and reforming the mindset to achieve success, happiness and achieving, and setting boundaries to leveling up and grow and meet their goals to bring their dreams into alignment and actuality.